Hi, excuse me, is this seat free? My name is Sophia.
Hi, Sophia. Yes, it is free. I am Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. I am here for the English listening and speaking meetup. Are you here for the same thing?
Yes, I am. I come here every Wednesday, and I enjoy the friendly people.
That is good to hear. I am 21 years old and I am from the United States. Where are you from?
I am from the United States, too. I am 35, and I grew up in Chicago.
Chicago sounds big. I am from San Diego, so I miss the ocean sometimes. Do you like this city?
Yes, I like it. It has many cafes and parks, and the people are polite.
I agree. I live near here, so I can walk. Do you live close to this place?
I live about 10 minutes away. I usually drive, but sometimes I walk when the weather is nice.
Walking is relaxing. When I walk, I often listen to music. It helps me feel calm. What music do you like?
I like pop music and soft rock. When I want quiet time, I listen to jazz.
I do not know much jazz. Can you tell me one easy jazz song later? I want to listen at home.
Sure, I can do that. Simple songs are great for listening practice.
Thanks. Now I want to practice talking about myself. Can we use short and clear sentences?
Of course. You can start with your name, age, and where you are from.
Okay. My name is Sophia. I am 21, and I am from San Diego. I live in this city now.
Perfect. I can say, my name is Alex, I am 35, and I am from Chicago. I live here, and I work nearby.
Great. What do you do for work, Alex? I want to learn job words.
I am a project manager in a small tech company. I plan tasks and I talk with my team.
That sounds busy. I am a student and I study communication. I also work part-time in a bookstore.
A bookstore is a nice place. You can learn new words from books and from customers.
Yes, I learn words every day. Sometimes customers ask me questions and I answer them. It is good practice.
That is excellent. Practice in real life is very useful.
What do you do after work? Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I like cooking simple meals, and I like hiking on weekends.
Hiking sounds fun. I like walking in parks and I take photos with my phone. I also watch travel videos.
Those are great hobbies. Photos and videos can help you describe places in English.
True. I can say, this park is quiet, or the street is busy. I want to use more words like that.
You can also use beautiful, small, crowded, and clean. They are common and easy.
Thank you. Now, can we talk about family? I want to practice mother, father, and sister.
Sure. I have one sister, and she is younger than me. My parents live in another state.
I have one brother, and he is older than me. My parents live in my hometown, and I miss them sometimes.
I understand. I call my parents every week, and I visit them a few times a year.
I call my mom often. When I feel stressed, she tells me to breathe slowly. It helps.
That is good advice. When I feel stressed, I go for a walk or I do light exercise.
Exercise is important. I do yoga at home 2 or 3 times a week. It makes me feel better.
Yoga is great. I go to the gym and I try to sleep well too.
Sleep is hard for me when I drink coffee late. I love coffee, but I try to drink it only in the morning.
That is smart. I drink 1 cup in the morning and then I drink water in the afternoon.
Now I want to practice daily routines. What is your morning routine, Alex?
I wake up at 6:30, I shower, and I get dressed. Then I eat breakfast and go to work.
I wake up at 7 o'clock most days. I wash my face, make tea, and check my messages. Then I study for an hour.
That sounds good. Do you go to classes in the afternoon?
Yes, I usually go in the afternoon. In the morning, I do homework, and sometimes I work at the bookstore.
You have a busy schedule. Do you have free time in the evening?
A little. I cook simple food and I watch one short show. After that, I read an easy English story.
That is a great routine. Reading and listening every day will help your English grow.
Speaking is still difficult for me. I speak slowly because I worry about mistakes. Do you have a speaking tip?
Yes, use short sentences and do not worry too much. If you forget a word, explain it with easy words.
Like this. If I forget receipt, I can say the paper from the shop. Is that okay?
Yes, that is very good. Clear meaning is more important than perfect words.
Good to know. Can we practice simple questions to ask someone new?
Sure, you can ask, where do you live? What do you like? And what do you do on weekends?
Okay. Where do you live, Alex? What do you like to do on weekends? What do you eat for breakfast?
I live near the river. On weekends, I hike or cook, and for breakfast, I often eat eggs and toast.
I usually eat yogurt and fruit for breakfast. I like apples and bananas. What fruit do you like?
I like oranges and strawberries. Oranges are easy, and strawberries feel special.
I like strawberries too, but they are expensive sometimes, so I buy them only sometimes. It is okay.
Yes, that is normal. You can also say, I am saving money, and people understand.
I am saving money now. I want to travel next year, maybe to New York. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. I like short trips, and I enjoy walking around new places.
When you travel, what do you do first? I want a simple answer to remember.
First, I walk and look around. Then I try local food and take a few photos.
Nice. I also like local food, but I do not like very spicy food. I prefer mild food.
That is a good sentence. You can also say, I like sweet desserts if you want.
Yes, I love sweet desserts. My favorite dessert is ice cream. What is your favorite dessert?
I like ice cream too. I also like chocolate cake, but I eat it only sometimes.
Now I want to describe my personality. I think I am friendly and a little shy. How do you describe yourself?
I am calm and responsible. I am also curious, so I like learning about people.
I want to be calm too. When I have exams, I feel nervous. I try to make a simple plan.
A simple plan helps a lot. I write a short list, and I do one thing at a time.
I write lists too. Today my list is work, study, and this meetup. It makes my day feel clear.
That is great. You can read your list out loud to practice speaking.
I will try that. I study English because I want to talk with people from many countries. I want better listening and speaking.
Your goal is clear. If you practice a little every day, you will improve fast.
Can I ask one more personal question? What kind of books do you like to read?
I like simple novels and real-life stories. I also read short books about habits and work.
I like stories too. In the bookstore, I often see children's books, and they are easy to read. Sometimes I read them to practice.
That is a great idea. Short books with simple words are perfect for A2 level.
What about movies? I like comedy movies because they help me relax. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies and comedy too. Sometimes I watch documentaries when I want to learn something new.
Documentaries sound useful. I watch travel videos and I learn words like mountain, island, and museum. It is fun.
Yes, and you can describe your plan with those words. For example, I am going to the museum on Saturday.
Let me try. This Saturday, I am going to visit the library and then meet a friend for lunch. On Sunday, I will rest at home.
That is very clear. I am going to and I will are both common for plans.
I also want to talk about seasons. I like summer because I feel happy in the sun. What season do you like?
I like spring. The weather is mild and the days feel fresh.
Spring is nice too. In summer, I miss the beach in San Diego. I want to swim again one day.
I understand. In different seasons, we also wear different clothes, like jackets in winter and light shirts in summer.
Shopping for clothes is hard for me in English. What can I say in a store if I need help?
You can say, "Do you have this in a different size?" Or, "Can I try this on?" Those are very useful.
Great, I will remember that. If I meet someone here next time, I can also ask, how do I get to the cafe? Or, which bus do you take?
Exactly. Simple questions like that help in daily life, and people will happily answer you.
Thank you, Alex. Before we go, can we do a short About Me talk? I want to speak 4 simple sentences.
Yes, please go ahead. I will listen carefully, and then I will speak too.
My name is Sophia, and I am 21 years old. I am from San Diego, and I live here now. I study communication, and I work part-time in a bookstore. I like walking, taking photos, and learning English.
That was very good. My name is Alex, and I am 35 years old, from Chicago, and I work as a project manager. I like cooking, hiking, and meeting new people. I come here to practice English and to relax.
I feel more confident now. Thank you for your time and your kindness. Can we meet again next Wednesday?
Yes, we can. Next time, we can practice shopping and making plans. See you next Wednesday, Sophia.